Smart Glass Technologies offers the latest generation of switchable smart film, PriWatt. Self-adhesive PriWatt film can be applied to existing glass or could be laminated between two high-quality, low-iron glass panels. Manufactured in Canada, UL-recognized PriWatt film successfully passed ASTM E1354, ASTM 662, and SMP 800C tests. Each handcrafted PriWatt film provides surround privacy control for boardrooms or glass partitions, offering instant privacy and stimulating creativity among employees. In healthcare facilities, PriWatt film offers privacy to patients while offering monitoring without the risk of contamination. As an exclusive Smart Glass Group partner, we are the only company in the industry to provide certified PriWatt film installation in the major US and Canadian cities with only a 10-day production lead time. At Smart Glass Technologies, we are passionate about revolutionary PDLC technology that enables people to live and work in private and comfortable buildings filled with natural light. Make an appointment or request a quote online.